About to get rollers, some rollers, first time rollers with the tails. Damn, it's too bouncy right now.
What the hell, boy?
Alright, let's go this way. I like my car color when it's like sundown. Sundown is the best. I love it. I love it.
Look nice.
Thank you. Welcome back, my beautiful people. I know you guys been waiting for the result on my tails, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm gonna be completely honest. The tails, are you guys ready to see? Of course, this one came out good, as we all know from last video. This side does not have a lens. I just ended up placing it because I wanted to drive my car. I wanted to be outside. I finally did that third light, and of course on camera it's not gonna look bad, but it's pretty bad. There's a gap right there, as you guys can see. What I was thinking for this one was maybe just breaking the lens that I created and only placing a lens right where the lights are coming out, basically just making a lens for this area. What do you guys think? So far this is how it looks. How does it look? I think I'm gonna clean out my trunk because it looks crazy in here. There's mold. There's mold from rain. I think the water is coming from the wheel well. There's like a compartment underneath this tray, and I think that's where the water is coming from. So I'm gonna like remove everything, clean everything out. Mold everywhere, and I can smell it too.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that?
I hope that's oil. Should we put some oil in my car? Is it bad? Is it bad? If it's old, is it bad? Okay, GG's if this is bad to do. I don't think this is safe. This is probably like a 5-year-old bottle that I found in my trunk. I'm just trying to take advantage of it. Use every drop. Why is it purple? 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 I don't know if I want to use this anymore. It says Royal Purple Synthetic Oil. So is it purple because it melted onto the can for gasoline engines? I don't want to use this no more. I've never seen purple oil. My guess is it's purple because it's been sitting in my trunk forever and the can color melted onto the oil or something. Unless it's supposed to be purple, but I don't trust that. I don't know. Royal Purple Synthetic Oil. Oh my gosh. This is how it's looking. Abandoned trunk. Battery looks like it's been scratched up and beat up by hamsters.
But what the hell, boy?
Hopefully this is not heavy to take off. It stinks in here. It's like so much mold. I guess from water, literally from water. You can see where the water was. How did this get flooded? Should I be wearing gloves or something? This is old. I don't need this no more. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I definitely can. Like there's white, and then green and brown. That's what you call mold. Okay, that carpet is out. What do we have here? What socket is this? 17? Okay. But you guys can see there's like moisture and it's wet. How did leaves even get up in here? How did leaves get in here? How? I don't understand. I think what I'm gonna do, because I have wood inside, I'm gonna cut the wood exactly this measurement so I don't have to use that anymore. It stinks like just mold, water, and like old, like just old. Don't tell me it's starting to rain right now. Please do not tell me it's starting to rain right now. It's looking cleaner already, but it still smells like mold and disgustingness. Definitely need to spray that, clean it, wipe it, do all the above. Like, how does it get like that? How? I need to like drive with my trunk open or something? Oh my gosh, it's smelling better in here. It's not smelling like mold anymore. I didn't see any holes, so I don't know where the water is coming from. So if it comes back, I mean, it shouldn't come back this time, because now I'm gonna just, you know, occasionally open my trunk. I better not get a virus from touching this, become a zombie tomorrow from touching mold. Ew, this water is black. If I had that wet vacuum thing, it would have been so fire right now, like the suck one. I got more clean water. Did you know oil could be purple?
I didn't know that. You know you could open the bottom of your trunk and hose your trunk to make it way easier for you? Clean setup.
Let's put the sub back in. If you hear a crack, we know what it is.
I think it'll last until you play it. As soon as you get down the road right here, cracked.
The
You're
one
gonna
bounce. Okay, she's going back in. My back, my poor back. Get in there. Looks way better. All right, so I'm gonna just have to install the music then on my own.
If I just like do a, it's over.
Look, feel it. It's pretty stable. It shouldn't break. You know what? It shouldn't break. There's not gonna be force from the sub that's gonna be equivalent to your punch.
You don't think?
Do you want to punch it?
No.
This looks so much cleaner. I'm happy.
Definitely, it looks better.
I'll definitely get a longer fabric so it could be the whole bottom piece. I'll see you guys when everything is back together. Look at that. It's so much cleaner for sure. As you guys can see, this amp right here is sticking out. There's like a lock. It's not letting the amp sit all the way back. So I'm thinking placing it behind the sub, make it even more cleaner. My necessity tools are in this bag. Also need to put my bumper back on here. This bumper has been sticking out.
Help me!
Every time I drive. I'm gonna jack it up and find a way to put a zip tie in there. Sorry for the ice cream truck. Should I get ice cream? What's your favorite ice cream? Comment down below. Gotta fix this bumper as well. It's hanging. But yeah, I think that's all I have to do and then we could be outside, okay? I really like this tail without a lens. Like, you can't even tell it has no lens. So let me know if I should rock it like that and just break the lens that I created over here. Okay, both rear bumper done and front bumper done. About to get rollers, some rollers, first time rollers with the tails. Hope you guys like it. Damn, it's too bouncy right now.
Huh?
Let's go here, let's go this way. Driving POV in a minute. I low-key want to like do an actual driving POV so like you guys see the street instead. We're going a good 45 miles per hour. That's what I like to drive with. Just 45 max, that's it. No need to go 50 or 60 unless you're in the highway. This is the best time to get rollers. I like my car color when it's like sundown. Sundown is the best. I love it. I love it. driving a static car, you're gonna be brain damaged, brain cell damage. Ugh. Okay, not bad entrance. I'm about to do some TikToks. Follow me on TikTok. Sounds so crazy. We're gonna do the TikTok right here in the middle of the road. JK, it's not the middle of the road. Right here. Right here is good.
Calm down. Calm down.
Yeah, let me know guys in the comment section below how you guys feel about POV driving. So I'm gonna do that. I definitely want to do that. A lot of videos of me driving or vlogs. Like today was a vlog. I didn't really do much. It was just like something I would do off camera, but I decided to record it anyway because I wanted to show you guys the result of my tails and also what I was doing today. If you guys like vlogs like this, let me know in the comment section below because I'll keep doing them, you know, daily vlogs. You guys probably can't even see me. I should probably turn that off. Like, what? Why did it just do that? Bro, this light, it's been like 10 minutes. Don't stall, Steph. It's going good?
I got the angles right. You look nice.
Thank you. I can't. Dante is driving his mom's car right now for rollers and it's blinked out. So now it's Dante in a blinked out car. Oh my god. Do not mind my chuchero here. It's been through war. I don't even know how that happened. But fam, that's gonna conclude our video for today. I'm sorry you guys had to see that earlier. My trunk was literally disgusting. I really didn't even want to show you guys. I was so embarrassed, but you know, hey, that's life. I don't know why that happened to my trunk. What the heck? This wind is going crazy today. Yeah, I don't know why that happened to my trunk. Maybe because I barely open it because that's where the music is, so I don't really be putting anything back there. Also the water, I don't know where that came from actually. I am still confused about that. I know you guys are probably gonna say, oh Steph, it's because you took off the headlights and left it without headlights for a couple weeks to make the clears. And actually no, because when I took out the tail to make them clears, I did seal it with tape so that water wouldn't get in it. But yeah, the water was there before I even did the clears, so it's not the clears, okay? So hopefully now that I'm gonna be riding with my trunk open 24/7, it won't do it anymore. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for always supporting me. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you guys subscribe so I see you guys in my next YouTube video. And yeah, stay blessed and stay safe. Peace. So where I put my camera is right here. My tints. My tints messed up. If I just like do a, it's over.